Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Hypertech's REACT Throttle Optimizer, and with Hypertech we have Jim. How you doing, Jim?
Steve, doing wonderful. Thanks for the invite. Man.
Thanks for coming in. So Jim, in today's video we want to talk about the product itself, what it is, what it helps us to do. We'll get into some of the safety aspects you built into the product, and then we'll talk about the tunes and how customizable it is before we get into the installation. So Jim, first of all, tell us about the product, what it is, and what it helps us to do.
Right, the REACT is our new product line from Hypertech. It's designed to optimize your throttle. It gives you the ability to optimize the throttle sensitivity for best fuel efficiency, all the way to super aggressive track settings.
Awesome.
You could, just go wild with it. It could make an on-off switch if
That's
you really
good.
wanted to.
That's good that you have those options though to really accommodate anybody who has this product. That's great.
Absolutely.
Now I know Hypertech really focuses on safety with all of their products, and I know this product is no exception. So give us the details on the safety you've added to the REACT here.
Yeah, safety is never an exception for us. We always make sure that that's number one, especially when we're plugging into your accelerator pedal.
Absolutely.
What we've done is if any of our processors fail or freeze up, it immediately bypasses and goes right back to the original equipment.
That's great. Okay, good to know. Now with that said, I know there are a lot of people out there who want to customize their tunes beyond what you offer from the factory. So is that something we can do, and can we share those with our buddies when that's done? 100%.
What we've came up with is that, look, we looked at everybody's products out there,
yeah,
and everybody has preset track, preset economy. There's not really much adjustability there. What we've done is we give you the ability to go off our preset adjustments, about a 20% change in each click, or you could go in there and make it 5%. It doesn't matter what you do. It just depends how picky you want to get and how optimized you need to get. Like in reality, you got a Z06 supercharged with a underdrive pulley on there. You're going to need a little less sensitivity than the guy who has just a stock pulley on there. So, or the Jeep guy in the rock crawling events.
Yeah.
That sensitivity in the four-wheel low. You want to be able to optimize and just make it just right for your gearing, your tire.
Absolutely. And if I do that, can I share that with my friends as well if I want to give them the same tune that I made?
And we have a full program that you're able, we give a shareable portion that you could add right on a forum, on your club forum.
That's awesome.
So everybody in the Jeep club could run your same exact files.
That's really cool.
All right, now let's go into a little bit more detail about the Hypertech React. The Hypertech React has 5 different pedal curves. Sort of resembles a dyno curve, if you'd say. It gives you the ability to completely customize the way that your accelerator pedal responds to your foot. If you're in the stock setting, stock is stock, of course, right? Economy setting, economy is going to give you the ability to neuter the response so you really get the optimized efficiency out of the vehicle, so that little tap of the pedal doesn't give you unwanted RPM. The track setting on the max setting, man, it's basically an on-off switch. A little too aggressive for me. I prefer it somewhere around here, but man, it wakes up the truck like you wouldn't believe. It takes all the delay out of throttle, instant downshifts on the interstate. It makes this thing feel like a sports car. The sports setting is, more or less for me, that's my daily driver setting. I like to be a little bit more aggressive than my street settings. Street's gonna be our version of what we felt the pedal should be like from the factory. Okay, for the off-road version, guys, what we've done is really nice, which nobody else has touched on yet. On the crawl mode, what we've done is we give the ability to completely get rid of all that super sensitivity in your throttle, and what that does for you is literally gives you traction control on the slippery rocks.
All right, Jim, so I know that the REACT is super simple to install, but can you give us some more details on how that looks?
Absolutely, Stephen. We brought ourselves an accelerator pedal with us because we didn't want to try to fit underneath the dash with you and the camera. So what we've done is you take the original equipment plug out, plug our piece in, plug the OE plug in the other end here, and you're in.
Simple enough.
The module plugs up, and then cable routing from there.
Very good. So with that said, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 1. It's super simple to do. Anybody can do this in 5 minutes or less. It's super simple. I will say though, if you wanted to do some cable management, if you're that person who's really wants the truck to look good after you're done, then that may take a little bit longer, and that's going to be application specific. So it could take you 10, 15 minutes, depends on your application. But generally to get it plugged in and working, you're looking at 5 minutes or less. Okay guys, so that's a wrap on Hypertech's REACT Throttle Optimizer. But before we go, Jim, thank you for coming in today.
Thanks so much, Steve.
It's been a great pleasure. Now guys at home, if you have any questions or comments about the product, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those for you there. If you have any just want more details about the product though, check the description below the video. We'll have it all for you there, from a part number all the way to a dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer near you. If you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.